not been in Abuja for the longest time. So I decided to come to Abuja to see my friend CJ, and we decided to eventually go out after like a long while of not, hanging out together.
You want it? Okay, wait, the social life thing, I mean?
Yes, I heard it's boring.
Keep it back, but people still catch from when they want to Coco Dome. If I don't know of any other place, I know of Coco Dome.
All you do is that.
But one of the boring ones, so I wouldn't know what the life of the campus. I
don't know what you're talking about. That's the terror.
Wait, you stayed back in Yola?
Yes, I mean, that's since that 2018.
Doing what exactly?
2018. So
I've been practicing there, so.
Okay then, that's fine.
I can move around.
You want to give us a talk?
After the tour.
Well, that one is long story.
After
Why?
the thesis, you need to stop.
Okay, you know what? We are here. Let's just do it.
Yeah.
Let's start.
Okay.
No, well, I'm with you.
Okay, this is the first one.
Yes, this is the Mona Monkey. And this is Bottino's Smoke.
Mona.
Yes, Mona Monkey has 26 years lifespan. And Bottino's has 23 years lifespan.
So how old is this one?
Like Jealous is 2 years and 10 months.
His name is Jealous.
Yes, like Jack, the smaller one, the guy, Jack.
So if I put my hand, what's he gonna do?
No, he won't do anything. He will touch your hand. He will just touch your hand. Jack. He will just touch your hand. He won't do anything. So you are scared. They also have
okay, Jack and Jealous.
Yes, that is Jack and Jealous.
So this one is, he said this one is how old now? Oh, he said hi. He said hi. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so cute. You're so cute. Oh my god, his name is Jack. Okay.
And they are the common one to the north. These two of them.
To the north.
Yes, you can see them common in the north. Chokwe.
His name is Chokwe.
Yes, that one is Chokwe, that one is Ghost, that one is Rugged and Queen. This is Juliet, and that is Jungle.
Juliet.
Juliet and
Are they friendly? I'm telling you. What's the name of this guy?
This is Billy. Billy.
Touch him now, greet him.
Yeah, he's friendly.
why is his hand like
Billy is friendly. That is chimpanzee. They have 50 years lifespan.
So how old is this one?
This one just 10 years.
What does he want?
You want to shake, you want to greet you. They are friendly and they know the difference between man and man. They know the difference. Yes, show their best.
Why is he licking his hand?
Because I thought I have soap in my hand. Right,
What's that? What do you have?
The salt on hand.
Okay, they like salt.
This is the name. So
he's
have
the only
human
one
sympathy.
here?
Yes, human's feeling as you're seeing chimpanzee. And he can remember it for the next 20 years if you're coming close to him.
Okay, so chimpanzees have human feelings.
Yes, then baboon, this is baboon. And they also see period like human. And they have signs they want to see period. Like the chimpanzee, the nipples always get bigger when they are on period.
So they bleed?
Yes, they bleed for 5-6 days.
So where would they not drop him?
On the floor, then the attendant will be cleaning it.
So, but he doesn't have a female?
Yes, we are searching for a female. They can run very fast, but they can't fly because of their weight. They can't even jump that high.
So please explain something about this thing. Can you touch? Are they friendly animals?
This one, don't even try. This one is doing out like this. Put your finger there.
I said these ostriches, they have 45 years lifespan.
Okay.
45?
Yes, they can run very fast, but they cannot fly because of their weight.
So they can run faster than a human being?
Yes, some cars
really?
Very fast.
They are crazy fast. Look at these legs.
They have acid inside their intestine. They enable them to swallow ions and phones and digest them.
Phone.
Did I hear phones? I didn't want to say anything the first time I heard. Phone.
Yes. Just throw your own to the big one, then you see what happens. You won't see it again.
His head and come out from here.
Is that a tortoise?
They are deckers. They have to wide. The only animal that can live longer, like 300, 400 years. This one is 128 years old.
This one 128.
Yes,
It's 128 years
on
old.
the 3rd of next month. Yes. On the 3rd of next month.
What?
Are you not seeing that thing beside you?
We're seeing it now. What can we do? Who is the one person that hates snakes? Who is the one person that is going to a snake farm even though she hates snakes? Hi.
The next
It's open. So come this way. Come this way.
Oh God, this something. Okay.
I'm your guy. So I'm
Blood
here to
of
guide you.
Jesus.
I'm here to guide you.
Okay. Okay.
What happened to you now?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
So I'm here. That is why I'm here.
now.
Okay, we're here together. Okay, we have to be together, please. Are you sure there's nothing loose in this place?
Can you touch it?
Are you, no, don't touch anything.
I am not a huge fan of snakes. Like, snakes scare me, as in I feel like screaming right now. The snakes are like, you know, like my worst nightmare.
So this is holding Tundra.
I don't want to see now. Is it my first?
Okay.
I don't want to see.
Oh dear Lord.
Okay.
Jesus.
Okay.
So they also change their skin once every month,
Okay.
and we feed them after 3-4 days.
How do you feed
Are
them?
these breads for it to eat?
Yes, we feed them with live pigeon, guinea pig,
So you just dash
chicken.
them?
We just bring inside. The attendant to put them inside.
Yeah, so that's
So
sad
they also
now.
change their
When
skin
it is
to
ready
once
to eat.
every month.
So now
When they're ready, they take what they want.
no, I can't even. Please.
So can they remove one outside?
No, we don't want anything.
Open the door. Let's go and see it. Go and
We
touch
don't
this
want
one.
to
You
touch- I
know
don't
you
want
touched the hand of
anything.
the
I don't know who I think I am, because why am I here? Just knowing that there are snakes in this environment alone is making my skin crawl. I'm so scared. Please. Eating snake. Let's just say that I'm not like them.
I'm like,
So this is porcupine. Porcupine has 20 years lifespan,
I'm going to take it.
and they give birth twice in a year, and more than one. You feed them with cassava.
Okay, they don't eat.
they look
don't
sad.
Eat, they don't eat human beings.
No. So these are the biggest snakes.
So-
And I wonder when they get to 6 years, 7 years, you can swallow human being like me. So this is the most dangerous snake so far. A viper has 2 different types of venoms. That's why we call viper the most dangerous snake. When they bite someone, less than 45 minutes, the person is gone. They say the person take antivenoms.
45, not even 1 hour.
But no, it's not up to. Viper is not up to. So one of them gave birth yesterday. These are the 2 like this.
It's just 3 months.
So this is cobra. Look at king cobra.
Wonder shall never end.
Yeah, well, I want to see it. I want to see it at
This
the
is king
second.
cobra. Carrying her head.
Huh?
Look at the one that gave birth. Look at her head.
You see those ones there with vipers and they're fascinating. No, see how cool this one is.
They don't know say they go Japan.
Look.
And may the good Lord guide me. Have you made this hair without attachment? You haven't.
Since when? Can't remember last time. That time I've been so fast. Ouch.
Are you sure?
You see?
Let's see how that. Do you like your hair? No, it can matter. Now you look like somebody's child, but your hair is everywhere.
Stupid.
It used to fit you actually.
Sometimes.
It's not all the time. It used to fit you. I don't know what you're talking about. Looks nice.
Yo, gracias.
Yes, that bikini. That last time I couldn't even finish it. Said.
Eh?
I'm telling you.
Just lock the door. When you are ready, let me know. You lock you inside, so you must finish it.
Seriously, you didn't finish it? Yes, no, she said that when I come, she said I should finish it. Stop trouble, you know go back there. Brazilian wax. It's all through. All the rumors are true, yeah. Oh no!
See what you do is just open your door. I need to sound that.
It's easier to
We
get.
have another client so that we can be done.
As in, you're saying the person feels easy.
It's not easy. But after you're done, see before it grows back, you check it. Check your days today. Check your days today. Check the next time you want to come back. You see the longevity, then how long it will take for the hairs to come out. Eboh, you have finished taking the work.
I mean, can you say it was worth it? Was it worth the time? Yes. Was it worth the money? Definitely. Was it worth the pain? It wasn't. It really wasn't.
6232.
623288. 1465.
What bank?
Fidelity. Anyway, Fidelity Bank. Truly we serve. Is that their logo? But I look like a creep right now. The Uber guy, is he coming?
This is on news. I can't even see him anymore.
You reach an umbrella like this. What time do you guys think you reach an umbrella?
You guys know Lagos now, so we should get on time. Because it's very far.
From here? Yes, no, but it's still far. From here to Anamoka is like
It's like 6 hours.
6, 7.
6
Lagos way. Okay, it's calling.
There's the first gate there. That's this building. That's where I'm coming. I'm on my way. I'm inside boat. That's the building. I'm coming.
Trux is going.